Ryanair flight 245 to Vigo is still ready for boarding at gate 34. Take a moment to note your located number on a small bag can be placed on the seat on board. Using Ryanair and will show present flight. Empezaremos embarcando de las filas de prioridad luego de la 22 a la 33. First priority and then 22 until 33.
Ladies and gentlemen from the flight deck, this is your captain speaking. Welcome aboard this Ryanair flight 245, destination Vigo. My name is Jose Stullet. I'm going to be your captain in command today, and together here with me the flight deck there's the senior first officer, Mr. Peter Lupholt. In the cabin we have Paul, Deborah, Sylvia, and Margot Zanda, which are going to be taking good care of you throughout this flight. Approximately flight time today is in the region of 1 hour and 40 minutes. We have good weather conditions en route, and in Vigo at the moment just a few clouds around the airport and a temperature of 22 degrees. Now finishing the paperwork, soon we're going to close doors and Paul and his team are going to be starting a safety demonstration. This is for your safety, so we beg your full attention. Once again, you're very welcome on board this Ryanair flight 245 destination Vigo.
Welcome on board this Ryanair flight. May we have your attention while we point out some of the safety features on this Boeing 737-800 aircraft. Please remove headphones during this demonstration. There are 8 emergency exits, each marked with a red exit sign.
Benvinguts. Sisplau, treguin-se els auriculars durant aquesta demostració. Hi ha 8 sortides d'emergència marcades amb una senyal lluminosa vermella amb la paraula èxit. Unes llums al llarg de la cabina s'il·luminaran en la foscor en cas d'emergència i els guiaran a la sortida d'emergència més propera. Hi ha 4 portes principals, 2 a la part davantera de l'avió, una a mà esquerra i l'altra a mà dreta, i 2 a la part posterior de l'avió, una a l'esquerra i l'altra a la dreta. A més, hi ha 4 sortides sobre les ales al centre de la cabina, 2 a mà dreta i 2 a mà esquerra. Sisplau, prenguis un moment per localitzar la sortida més propera, ja que pot estar situada darrere seva. Per cordar-se el seu cinturó de seguretat, inseriu l'extrem de metall a la sivella. Per assegurar-ho, estireu de l'extrem sol a la corretja i per descordar-lo, aixequi la tapa de la sivella. En cas que les màscares d'oxigen caiguin del panel superior, estiri fort de la seva màscara per iniciar el flux d'oxigen. Col·loqui la seva màscara sobre el nas i la boca i respiri amb normalitat. No es preocupi si la bossa no s'infla, l'oxigen està fluint. Per assegurar la màscara, estiri d'un extrem de la goma. Els alumnes que viatgin amb nens, col·loquin-se la vostra màscara primer.
Cabin crew, set for departure, thank you.
Vigo this afternoon. It's going to be all in English for the briefing here. It's nice weather in Vigo. It's 23 degrees, clear skies, just a few clouds, and so actually better weather than in Barcelona. Light wind as well, so good. And a little bit late, approximately 10 minutes past the hour due to a strong headwind today. But enjoy the rest of the flight. Do your business. Stay in Vigo, no Spain. And thank you again, flying Ryanair. Goodbye.
Return to your seats and fasten your seatbelts. There should be no more walking or standing in the cargo aisle. Use of the toilets is no longer permitted. We should be landing in approximately 15 minutes. Thank you.
Pasajeros aterrizamos en menos de 10 minutos. Les rogamos una vez más aseguren que sus cinturones están debidamente abrochados. Gracias. Ryanair is delighted to welcome you to Vigo Airport, where the local time is 6:10. Please remain seated with the seatbelt securely fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop and the fasten seatbelt sign has been switched off. Please take care when you're opening the overhead lockers as items of your carry-on luggage may have become dislodged during the flight, fall down and cause you injury. For those of you who want, we kindly ask you to please refrain from doing so until you reach the designated smoking area outside of the terminal building. Passengers seeking car hire, please visit our website ryanair.com, where we offer the lowest car hire rates. If you find anything else cheaper, we will refund you double the difference. Finally, on behalf of the captain, first officer, but especially onboard crew, we would like to thank you for choosing to fly with us this afternoon. It has been a pleasure taking care of you, and we would like to see you in another Ryanair scheduled service in the very near future. Wishing you a pleasant stay here in Vigo once again from all of us aboard. Thank you and good afternoon. Los pasajeros Ryanair les da la bienvenida al aeropuerto de Vigo, donde la hora local son las 6:15. De parte de Ryanair, les agradecemos que hayan escogido volar con nosotros y les deseamos feliz sacrificio.
Cabin crew, please disarm slides and open doors. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Vigo. Return is 2016.